Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So this week, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be following a tutorial by Halada. She is one of my favourite YouTubers. So I thought she would be perfect. I thought I'd like to challenge myself and I found this one. So let's give it a go. Yes. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film a full face using cruelty-free makeup products, and I have actually been wanting to do this video
Hopefully
for so freaking long. But finally did my research and I achieved this look right here using all cruelty-free products.
Beautiful.
And I take you guys step by step on how to achieve it. It does look pretty scary and it is kind of a difficult
yes, I'm coming at you with
to nail. I'm still
this is a
not
lot.
100% with it, but basically it's kind of just like this rounded out half cut crease with like a smoky liner. I don't know how to describe it, but I also added some glitter in there just to give it a little pop. Also, I do have a giveaway at the end of this video, so if you guys want to see what I'm giving away, all the rules to enter and all that fun stuff, make sure you guys just keep on watching till the end of the video. Also, before we do get started, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. If you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look right here using all cruelty-free makeup products, make sure you guys just keep on.
I don't know if my cruelty-free, but
rehearsed or something. I feel like my intro was like
okay.
But as you guys know from the title and the intro today,
she did her brows. She's already done her brows. Okay, let's do the brows first. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because she did her brows off camera, so I'll be back. Okay, so now I've done my brows off camera and I've carved them out, so hopefully they're looking better than they were. So let's continue.
I'll be filming a cruelty-free makeup tutorial. I've been wanting to do this for so long, but I don't know why. I just never did it. But this is perfect for any of you guys if you are wanting to go cruelty-free or vegan with your makeup. And honestly, you guys, it is a lot easier to go cruelty-free than you would think. There are so many brands that are cruelty-free, so I just want to kind of show you guys in this video and give you guys kind of like a tutorial using everything cruelty-free. By the way, I did use Anastasia brow products today, and Anastasia is cruelty-free as well. Beautiful. So I'm just going to start off, as always, with foundation. Oh my god, my hair looks so weird.
Oh, you're going with foundation first.
I'm going to be using the Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. I haven't used this in so long, and
I didn't have that.
I honestly love this because the coverage is so incredible. She's the tiniest little dot, and watch how...
Oh, she hasn't primed.
Covers everything. And it's pretty matte, so you want to work fast.
I'm confused.
With this.
Are we just going to go straight in? She goes in with the beauty blender as well. Okay. I forgot to wet my beauty blender, so I'm going to go do that. Oh no, I've done it wrong. She puts it on the back of her hand. Oh no, I hate this because it's such a liquidy foundation. It's going to go everywhere. And then I'm just going to apply it with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. We are done with foundation. What is next, Tina? Hit me with it.
Okay guys, so moving on to concealer. It's actually a new concealer, finally. I've been hearing such amazing things about this concealer. This is the ColourPop No Filter concealer.
Okay, I didn't have that, so I'm just gonna go
but it was sold out for like a while there. But anyways, I'm really excited to try this.
Medium.
Such amazing things. Tarte is cruelty-free. So you guys obviously could still use the Tarte Shape Tape, but I just wanted to try out something new. Ooh. Coverage is really good. The texture is like super buttery. My concealer face is so ugly. Oh, by the way, I got the shade Fair 5. Oh my god, my eye yesterday was so irritated from my contacts, and I have like this little red spot in it. It's like irritating me really bad right now. So you guys see that? Just don't mind it. But to set everything, I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way powder.
Hi, you didn't say.
So everything, I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way powder. I remember I used this and I didn't really like it.
This is going really well.
Technically cruelty-free
I'm gonna use
because their manufacturer is not in China.
Research and they're not
like,
only because my Laura Mercier's run out.
Certified
oh, I don't know if this is cruelty-free.
If that makes sense. So I'm not gonna risk it by promoting it, even like when I'm not sure, you know.
I'm just copying it. I'm not trying to do.
I'm looking super matte already though because
what does she bake with?
That foundation. Okay, so now on to bronzer.
Okay, hold on. Okay, she bakes with a beauty blender. I've not done this in years, so this can be fun. Okay, continue.
Very matte. I'm also going to be using a Too Faced product, so I'm using the Milk Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, and this is my go-to bronzer lately. It's perfect for my skin tone, even though my sister kind of fucked it up a little bit when she did my makeup blindfolded, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. If you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure you guys go do. It is really funny, and I'm glad you guys are liking it. So if you guys haven't watched it already, I'll have it down below. It's my most recent upload, so yeah, go check it out.
Okay, this is the closest thing I have to a big fluffy brush. It's the Real Techniques Bold Metals in 100.
Response has been amazing, so I'm really happy about that. Now for blush, I actually have some new
okay,
blushes.
honey, you're on blush. Let's slow down. I'm just gonna bronze my face first. Honey, you're going way too quick for me. It's fine. We're over it. Next.
With blushes, so
blush. I don't use blush, and I don't have blush because I just hate the way it looks on me, so I'm not going to use that. So we're going to skip.
I have been obsessed.
Okay, we're on the eyes now.
So I'm going to be doing a look that I posted on my Instagram because
I don't have that
really
colour pop
palette,
so I'm just going to go in with my 3502 palette. Very similar colours, so we're just going to use what I can. I missed it. I missed it.
Transition shade.
What transition shade are you going to use?
So I'm going to be doing a look that I posted on my Instagram because it was really requested. So I'm going to be taking this color right here.
That colour is way too light for me, so I'm going to go in with these two shades and try and mix them, and we'll see what that looks like. Okay, we are done with that. What's next? Oh yeah, I'm doing
okay, and then I'm grabbing this color right here. It's a really bright, almost pink, like coral kind of color. Oh shit, that just blew right into my face. And I'm also just running that into the crease, as you can see.
Oh, okay. We're gonna use the same brush. And I'm gonna try and mix these two shades. Can you see that? This shade and this shade, just because it's kind of a mix of the two, and I don't want to go right in with that shade because that is so bright. So we'll dull it down with a colour that's slightly similar. Hopefully that works. Oh, she's gone all over the eye. My mistake. Should have watched on. We're gonna go all over the eye. So it's fine, we fixed it, we're moving on.
Right here, it's a really, really dark chocolatey brown, and I'm only going to take this into my crease, but just mainly on this outer corner because I'm doing kind of like a little, kind of like a smoked out eyeliner, but like not a wing. It's going to kind of round out right here. You'll see when I do it, but yeah, I'm really just rounding it out right here. And then bringing it slightly into the crease.
That might be too dark.
But keeping it
Maybe
low.
I'll go in with this one.
Okay, so now we're going to go in with black.
Okay, she's... Let me just do this real quick.
Which is terrifying, but we gotta do it.
We're going with black now.
Yeah, I honestly hate using black eyeshadow. It scares me. But I'm using an Anastasia eyeshadow because they are cruelty free. And I'm using this shade from the Prism palette.
Cruelty-free.
Prism, I believe, yeah. This is the shade Obsidian.
Oh well. Oh, she's going in with the black. She's done it. She has done it. Okay. I'm just going in with the black from the 3502 palette.
I'm worrying, but you don't have to.
Okay, one sec. She's gone in with the cut crease already. I'm still on the black. Okay, so my camera ran out of storage, yay! So it missed me doing the cut crease, which sucked. But I just used the Tarte Shape Tape, same concealer that I used to do my cut crease. And then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer brush in number 18 to do my cut crease. So yes, let's continue this whatever we are doing.
I'm gonna go ahead and do some eyeliner really quickly.
Eyeliner.
So, what the fuck's my eyeliner? I'm gonna be doing a really thick liner, but it's just gonna get thicker and thicker as we go up here.
Guys, I can't find my liquid liner, so I'm gonna have to use this Collection Extreme Bold Felt Tip Calligraphy Liner. Okay, it's very thick. I've never used this before. I got it free from Superdrug, so we shall see how this works. Where's she?
And it's just gonna connect out to this black, and it's gonna create like a really pretty smoked out outer V kind of effect, but we are not doing wings, so
I don't know how this is gonna look.
I'm bringing it up. I'm stopping it right out there, and then we're just gonna take black and blend that out. Okay, so before I add black to this, I'm going to use this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner.
Wow, hold on a second, Tina. Tina. Okay, hot mess, whatever. Ugh. Okay, moving on.
Glitter liner, and I'm just gonna apply.
I don't have the
just
Urban
on
Decay,
the
but I've
outer
got the
half
collection
of
one,
the
so we're just
lid.
gonna.
And I'm gonna go back
that.
in the black and just smoke this outer edge out again. I'm not gonna worry about my under eyes because I honestly think I'm just gonna have to take it off and redo my cheeks because there's no going back at this point.
Okay, wow, this is very pigmented. Hopefully this looks
That is
okay.
what you want to go for, just kind of like a rounded off look. Okay guys, so I fixed the issue. I actually redid my entire
one sec,
cheek.
Tina. And then she went back in with the black eyeshadow, so I'm going to do the same. Wrong palette. So I'm taking the Morphe M506 like I did before. Just going in with the black shadow, making like a moon shape, so it sort of links the two. And there's no like harsh blend between the glitter and the eyeliner. There's that one. She had a C shape, so that's what I'm doing. Trying to intensify the smoke. This is so dark. I'm just gonna apply them all. It's like intense. Okay, what's next?
Okay guys, so I fixed the issue.
Hold on. She's done her under eyes off camera and she's rebaked. Alright, I'm gonna rebake off camera and then I'm gonna do the under eyes as well because Tina did that already. Okay, so I did my under eyes and I've also baked my cheeks, under my bronzer and the sides of my nose like she did, so let's continue this. I tried to smoke it out. I don't know how this is looking. It could be looking a hot mess, but I've tried. So let's continue.
Redid my entire cheeks, but with the same products. I don't know why I did my face first. That was like the stupidest thing.
Yeah, Tina, why?
Learn from my mistakes, okay? But I'm using some House of Lashes lashes right now. These are cruelty-free and synthetic lashes.
Okay, I don't have them.
This style. I've actually never used these before, but these are.
But I'm going to use my Lash Wild lashes in the style, oh god, I don't know, Florence, I think Florence. And I'm going to use the Duo Glue. I'm going to apply these off camera because this is going to take me such a long time to do. Okay, so she's gone on to highlighter while her eyelashes are just being glued, waiting for the glue to dry. So I don't have the highlighter that she's going to use, so I'm going to go in with a similar shade, I think. Yes. I'm going to go in with the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette in Cleopatra's Kiss, and I'm just going to use the gold shade. And I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush. And then I'm just going to apply my eyelashes, so I'm just going to do that now. Okay, so the lashes are now on. She's now going in to curl her lashes, but honey, these lashes are curled enough, so I'm not going to curl them. Let's just continue.
Oh my god!
Hoping she puts mascara on because
okay, I guess we're not going to curl our eyelashes today because that was a hot mess. Anyways, okay, so for my lips today, I'll be using first this Starfish lipstick from Anastasia, and then I'm going to lighten up the centers and kind of
I don't have that, so I'm going to use
using Milkshake from Anastasia.
I think Echo Park. I have a favourite, but they've all like, yes, Echo Park. Hers is kind of a bit more brown than mine, but it's fine. You gotta do what you gotta do.
I completely forgot about my bake, you guys. I'm gonna wipe that off.
Oh, hun. Okay, she's wiped the bake off.
Okay, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. So you guys want me to do like another look?
Let's chill. I'm just gonna wipe my bake off with my bronzer brush because it's the first brush I saw. But that's fine. She didn't apply mascara on her bottom lashes. Bizarre, I always do. So I'm just gonna go in with that real quick. Okay, so I've just zoomed you in here. This is the finished look. I think it actually turned out really nicely, like nicer than I thought it was going to turn out. I feel really pale because she baked for so long. So I don't know how that looks on camera. It might look really pale, but I feel really pale and a bit ghost-like. But it's quite a nice look. Like, I wouldn't think of doing this. Let me zoom you out. But I really quite enjoy it. So if you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll link Tina's video down below so you can watch that and see how I got this look. Hopefully I did it well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!